Hey, busy Americans! Are you struggling to find time for fitness in your packed schedule? Well, today I have 5 quick fitness hacks that will fit seamlessly into your busy lifestyle. Trust me, these hacks are total game changers. So stick around till the end. First up, hydrate like a pro. Start your day with a big glass of water. To boost your energy, sharpen your focus, and keep that metabolism running strong. Pro tip, keep a water bottle handy and drink throughout the day to stay hydrated and alert. Next, snack smart. Swap out those unhealthy junk foods for power-packed snacks like nuts, fruits, and yogurt. These will keep you full and energized during those long work days without that post-snack guilt. No time for the gym? No problem, just 10 minutes of body weight. Exercises at home can keep you fit and active. There are even apps like Workout Timer that make it super easy to stay consistent. It's time to say goodbye to those excuses. Turn those long phone calls into steps by walking during your calls. Not only will you burn calories, but it also boosts creativity. It's an effortless way to stay active throughout the day without taking too much time out of your schedule. Lastly, wind down with yoga or stretching, just 10 minutes before bed can release tension, improve sleep, and reset your mind for the next day. It's the perfect way to transition from a busy day to a peaceful night's sleep. So there you have it, 5 fitness hacks to keep you active and stress-free. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit like, share this with a friend, and subscribe for more tips to live your best life. See you in the next video.